What's the most powerful punch in the animal kingdom? You're probably thinking of a lion or maybe a gorilla, but you'd be wrong, because the real champion is only a few inches long. Meet the mantis shrimp. And yes, you are not ready for this. This tiny creature throws a punch faster than a bullet, literally. Its claws snap forward at 23 meters per second, creating shock waves that boil the water and cause tiny explosions called cavitation bubbles. Oh, and those bubbles? They can stun or kill prey, even if the shrimp misses. But that's not even the craziest part. Their eyes? They have 16 types of color receptors. Humans have 3. That means they can see colors that don't even exist in your imagination. Ultraviolet? Easy. Polarized light? No problem. It's like having built-in sci-fi goggles. So this shrimp doesn't just punch like a boxer on steroids. It also sees the world in a way no other creature can. And yet, you've probably never even heard of it. There's even a story of one mantis shrimp in captivity that shattered aquarium glass with one punch. So next time you think size equals power, just remember, there's a shrimp out there with the punch of a shotgun and the vision of an alien god. And